Hello fishing buddies, today we'll be doing an unboxing of the PENN Rival 6000 Longcast reel.
Wait a minute, did I wake up in a dream or is this reality? Just a second, trying to grip on what's left of my sanity. Yeah. It ain't been the best of times, just hold on, we almost there. In this world, ain't no other woman that can keep it real. Hands out on your waist, damn, it's been a minute. I just wanna take this time and really get to feel ya.
Here I have the PENN Rival 6000 Longcast reel in its unopened box. Outside the box, it mentions the reel specs in various languages.
Just a second, tryna grip on what's left of my sanity. Yeah. It ain't been the best of times, just hold on, we almost there. In this world, ain't no other woman that can keep it real. Hands out on your waist.
Let's go ahead and open it up.
I just wanna take this time and
We are greeted by the reel itself, but let's save that for later.
insight to all the memories. Hard to let go of the feelings we had.
Inside we get spare washers, which not all fixed spool reel comes with. An exploded parts list in case you will need parts for spares or repairs. A general fixed spool manual. And finally, we get the spare spool. Going back to the reel itself, it looks classy in matte black with metallic blue trimmings.
Holding tight to all the memories. Hard to let go of the feelings.
The brakes operations are clearly labeled.
We both know we can't go forever.
The clicker is nice and loud enough. And the mechanism is smooth, which is as expected for a new reel.
Wait a minute, did I wake up in a dream or is this reality? Just a second.
The spare spool has the same dimensions with the main spool, which is a tapered shallow spool that's supposed to be able to hold 300 meters of 0.20mm diameter line or 180 yards of 10 pounds monofilament, as per the text on the spool.
Damn, it's been a minute. I just wanna take this time and really get to feel ya. Holding tight to all the memories.
Let's put some line in. We're using Berkeley Pro Spec 0.38mm saltwater monofilament, which is advertised to have a 22.1 pound brake test. I was able to get 100 meters of line, and then I topped it off with Tronic Pro's Xenon tapered shock leader. Now all that's left is to test it out. If you found this video informative, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel for future fishing stuff related reviews, as well as an upcoming full review of this reel. Thanks for watching and happy fishing.